Kansas City. Oh my goodness. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Jess. Welcome to part 5 of me unboxing all of the packages I recently received. We're going to be unboxing this one today. This is from Kansas City. Oh my goodness. And it's from Alexandria Hardin. I believe it's another giveaway win. Oh yes! Oh my goodness. Okay, this is an interesting book. Credible. Why We Doubt Accusers and Protect Abusers by Deborah Tuerkheimer. This is not just an important book. It's way more than that. It's not new algorithm and depending of long-held beliefs kept in place by law and culture. I'm delighted to enclose a copy of my new book, Credible. To write Credible, I harnessed decades of conversations with survivors. I also brought to bear my own experiences, helping victims, investigating and trying cases, and speaking and writing about these issues to a range of audiences. The book is a culmination of this work. Wow. Oh, that's amazing. Thank you, Alexandria, for this book. I'm really looking forward to reading it. Oh, that's a nice cover. Oh yeah, that's so nice. Oh my gosh, wow. Awesome. That's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed. That was a really interesting book that I unboxed. It definitely reminds me of some of the material that we learned during university, during my gender studies courses, or even some of my sociology courses. So I'm really looking forward to jumping into that book. That's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you again, Alexandria, for this book. If you enjoyed, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, anything you want, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and until part 6, I'll see you then.